Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Tear off the sticker. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screw that fixes the fender above. Use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the screw that fixes the fender at the bottom. Apply tape to the rear derailleur below the right-hand fixing screw to prevent scratching. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the fenders on both sides. Remove the rear fender. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the controller cover. Disconnect the speaker terminal. Cut the cable ties that secure the taillight and electronic shifting wire harness. Disconnect the terminals of the taillight and the electronic shifting wire harness. Cut the cable ties that secure the motor wires. Unscrew the motor wire terminals. Disconnect the motor lock wire harness. Cut the 2 front cable ties. Disconnect the IoT terminal. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the decorative shell of the wiring port. Disconnect the small battery terminal. Disconnect all the wire harness terminals inside the vehicle body, as shown in the video. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that secure the battery base. Take out the battery base. Take out the 3 wire harnesses on the right side of the battery compartment. Disconnect the 3 terminals. Use a 3mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the controller. Remove the controller. Pull out the wire harness. Stuff the 3 long wire harnesses into the vehicle body. Thread it out from beneath the sheet metal of the battery base. Place the 4 wire harnesses with red sleeves inside the rear frame. Stuff the remaining wire harnesses into the vehicle body. Thread it out through the inspection opening. Evenly apply thermal grease on the back of the controller. Install the controller. Apply thread locking adhesive to the screws. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Install the wire clips properly. Plug in the IoT terminal. Stuff it into the vehicle body. Connect the terminals in the battery compartment. Make sure the connection is secure. Connect all the terminals. First, insert the green wire harness into all the slots on the right side. Then insert the red wire harness into slots 1, 3 and 5 on the right side. Then insert the purple wire harness into all the slots on the left side. Finally, insert the red wire harness into the remaining 2 slots. Arrange the wire harness neatly so that there is no crossing or tangling. Reinstall the battery base. Tighten the 3 screws. Plug back the corresponding wire harness terminals as shown in the video, and stuff them into the vehicle body. Plug back the small battery terminal. Reinstall the small battery. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Plug in the wire harness terminals of the electronic gearshift and the taillight. Plug in the wire harness terminal of the motor lock. Plug in the wire harness terminal of the motor. Tighten the terminal. Use cable ties to secure the wire harness at the positions shown in the video. Replug the speaker terminal. Push the terminal into the vehicle body. Install the controller cover. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Apply the stickers evenly. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate. Install the rear fender. Apply thread locker to the screws. Pre-tighten the fixing screws on both sides first. Pre-tighten the fixing screw at the bottom. Pre-tighten the fixing screw above. Adjust the fender to an appropriate position. Tighten the screw above. Tighten the screws on both sides. Tighten the fixing screw at the bottom.